All right, time for our next course assignment. We just received a new email from Dana Modell, subject line adding a date hierarchy. Dana says, hoping you can help with a quick request. Since we'll be doing a lot of time series analysis, Ethan asked us to add a date hierarchy to the model so that users can quickly view trends at any level of granularity, year, month, day, etc. Please get that added before our afternoon call. Thanks, Dana. So a couple objectives here. You're going to create a new hierarchy based on the start of year field and name it date hierarchy. Then you're going to right click or drag to add fields until your hierarchy contains the following fields in this order: start of year, start of month, start of week, and date. Last but not least, you'll add your new hierarchy to the matrix visual on rows and practice drilling up and down between each level of granularity. Should be pretty straightforward. Go ahead and give it a shot.